Hello guys, what's up? So welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it, comment below. I really need that comment and subscribe. So in this video, I want to quickly look at an overview of Wowapp. Wowapp is an app, amazing app that I came across in 2016. It launched in 2015, then 2016 I was into it, and I've been with it until now. I don't think I'll give back anytime soon. So I'll quickly look at overview of Wowapp. I'll withdraw, show you payment proof, and show you inside the app. So let's get started. Now, Wowapp is using Wowapp are focusing on ads. Initially, they were focusing on ads. That is in 2016 when I joined. It was only ads and maybe surveys. So what happens is, if you want to make money online, you must be familiar with ads. You must love ads because that's what pays most people online. If you're a blogger, vlogger, whatever you want to do, ads will be very important for you to make money online. So Wowapp, using that, they get money from ads from their app, and then share a percentage of it with people who use this app. So Wowapp basically takes almost 70% and shares with people. Another 10% also they donate. So that's why you see you do good while you use Wowapp. That's why I joined Wowapp, because I do good as I use it. Basically, what you will be doing on Wowapp, ideally, is chatting while you chat normally, making calls, doing surveys, watching short videos. There are a lot of things you can do with Wowapp, even reading news and you get paid. So it's really interesting app. Let me just not waste too much time. I'll just show you the multiple ways of earning from Wowapp, then withdraw, and then show you inside the app how it looks like. So see you around. So you can see I'm on Wowapp website. This is their official website. You can see Wowapp here. This is the official website, and you can see whatever they have live feeds of people earning around the world. I don't know how accurate that is. So it's like income equality. There a lot of ads. Ads makes a lot of money, and like Facebook make a lot of money from ads, but they benefit themselves. They don't share it with the people who actually make the content. Same thing with almost every other website. Even my website, I make money with ads, but I don't share it with the people who make me earn. I don't know if you understand it, because when you come and read an article on my site, I don't share that money with you. But basically, me, you benefit from the content that I research and write on my website. Yeah, so that's how you benefit normally. But these guys have decided to get some percentage back to the community. So that's what they are going to do. You can read about all that distribution and all that. See how much the rich will get rich and the poor will remain poor and all that. What I wanted to show you really quick is earning methods. Number one, you will earn through chatting. While you're chatting in the app, you will see some ads maybe displayed at the top or at the bottom of that page. That is earning you money. You can chat from using the web, like I'm using this computer. You earn from that. You will have instant earn. Under instant earn, there are a lot of things you can do. You can do surveys, you can do tasks, you can watch videos, a lot of them. And then there's games. While you play games, these games have ads in them. So you play game, pop up, and all that. Locking screen, there is shop. When you shop through Wowapp, there are several outlets that pay you money back when you check out, when you come from Wowapp. There is also a plugin you install that will know that you are a Wowapp user, and it gives you that some percentage of. And then smart web, of course, all these things you can talk, you buy credits or notes, you can call. Wowapp is just like WhatsApp, only that now WhatsApp that pays you. How good is that? Then smart slide, this is a lock screen ad. When you swipe up, you earn. Yeah, so you do good. As I told you earlier, direct donations are made. They take some percentage from your earnings every single day and donate it to several charities. At the same time, you can decide to just dedicate everything you earn to donations, because maybe you see it's too little or so. You know, if you take 100 bob to a children's home, it won't make sense. But if 1,000 people take 100 bob to children's home, that's almost 100,000. Yeah, 100,000. That makes sense. So if you were 1 million people and you donate one bob each, it makes sense. So we people donate. Part of my daily earning goes to some charities, and yours will also be doing that. So you are doing good as you earn. You earn yourself. Part of it goes to other people. Yeah. And by the way, you can choose which donation, which charity you want your money to be channeled. So basically that's it. I'll withdraw and then show you inside the app. So I've withdrawn and waiting for that 2 to 3 days for that money to hit my PayPal account, and then I'll update the video. But let's sign into our app and let me show you how. Let me just show you how the web part is, and then I'll show you from the mobile phone, and then so this is inside Wowapp. I've withdrawn from Wowapp. By the way, Wowapp will not pay you, will not make you rich or make you have a lot of money. Wowapp will just add little to what you already make. If you are making money already, if you are working somewhere else, Wowapp is not a get rich quick. You might not never get rich with it. It's just an additional income. So don't come in that you want to make a living out of it. Normally, what I do is take parts of these apps, several of them. Maybe that one you can make a living. Maybe current music app, Honeygain, or wow, whatever. Put them together, then you can make like even 10,000 a month or so if you do them religiously. But if not, don't count on Wowapp alone. So let's see, you can see my data, all that stuff. I have people in Kenya, I have people in Russia, 6 people in Russia, I have in South Africa, all that. You can see I have quite a number of people in my network. I have 230 people in my network, and a lot of people are inactive. Most of these people are inactive. Basically, it's like I'm the only one who is earning from this, doing this thing. A lot of my downlines are inactive because they come in with a lot of expectation that that can't be met. So the video is getting long. I don't want it to be. So let's see. You can see profile information, network details, and all that over here. So let me just get into the app and show you. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe for more. I'll be making a lot of more interesting videos that can make you a lot of money. Hey, so I'm here inside the Wowapp app, and you can see there are several goes to them. By the way, Wowapp, you can see 100 coins is equal to 1 bob. 100 bob. So one coin is basically one shilling. So if you see 39 bob, that is 39 shillings, like that. So whatever you see, that is what you have. Yeah, so basically that is it. You just chat here, you don't do anything much. And yeah, let me chat to Beryl, and then you will see ads. I limited my Wi-Fi because I don't want a lot of notifications, but you'll normally see ads like this part. So guys, that is it. See you in my next video. Consider to subscribe. Meanwhile, if you want to start making money from blogs, writing content, or YouTube and all that, but then I've made money with my YouTube channel without reaching 1,000 users. I'll make videos how you can do that to make money with YouTube without any subscribers, without a lot of views, but you can do it. So if you want to learn about all that stuff, how to make money as a content creator, visit my new website that I'm partnering with the net to just make guides about that. That is forevercreators.com, and see you next time.